Hi, welcome to the Opusense Fieldwire integration demo video. In this video, I'm going to show how you can set up the integration, then begin using it on-site through the use of our mobile app. To start with this integration, you will need a Business or Business Plus plan with API access enabled. Here we're going to go to the account page in Fieldwire and create a new API token. We'll label it Opusense. Don't forget to copy your token. And then we'll go to the Opusense website. We'll then click on the Integrations tab. Click on the Fieldwire integration. Click Next. And then this is where we will paste the API token. And then we'll click Connect Fieldwire. We'll now go to the templates page to create a Fieldwire report template. We'll create the template, click on the Fieldwire button, and then create. Here you will be presented with the default template for Fieldwire reports. This report template will retrieve data from your Fieldwire account, including tasks, project plans, and any other photos attached to your tasks to fill in the report. We'll go to the settings page to add our logo, and then we'll go back to the report content tab to make some changes to our template. So let's try adding a highlight. I want to add client name. And maybe we want to add the time of arrival as well. You can also customize the sections of your report. Let's add in a summary section and have it summarize all of the notes. Then I'll just move it to the top of our report, and then save all the changes. Now let's link a project in Opusense to a project in Fieldwire by going to the Projects page. Let's connect Queen Towers to the Queen Towers project in Fieldwire. What this linking does is that it links the tasks and any other information from your Fieldwire project so that your report can reference that information. Now you're ready to create reports and keep track of your tasks. Let's now create a report on site. Before I create a report, I can check on the project's tasks from Fieldwire to see if there's anything we need to keep an eye out for. I'm just going to update the tasks using the Get Fieldwire Tasks button. All right, now that I know it's synced, I know what I need to look out for. So I'll start by going back to the Reports tab and create a new report using the Fieldwire template. Then I'll start by taking notes using the microphone. I met with the superintendent and walked the full site. No safety incidents since last visit. The strip footings on grid E to H have been poured and forms were stripped this morning. Concrete looks good, no defects. I've went ahead and added in the rest of my notes. Now let's add some photos from the site visit. What this report template will do is that it will not only organize photos that you submit via Opusense, but it will also pull in images from your tasks in Fieldwire. When you're ready, click Generate Report, confirm, and give it a minute to generate. So this is the generated report. You can see that Opusense pulled in the site plans, automatically filled in the important details such as weather, time arrived, and client name. It also filled in each of the sections, summarizing the notes, filling in the task information, and adding the photos at the end of your report. Once you're done reviewing your report, you can then update your tasks by selecting the three dots, tapping Update Tasks, reviewing them, and then selecting the Update Tasks button. So Opusense will scan the report and suggest which tasks look complete. Review the suggestions, and then you can apply them. Those updates will sync back to your tasks in Fieldwire as well. So now it's a good time to also share your report with stakeholders. For example, you can send the report and related tasks to the project's engineering consultant, and they can send their inspection reports back to you the same way. Once everyone has reviewed it, you may upload the report file to Fieldwire. And that's our demo. You can use this same Fieldwire workflow in Opusense on the web and on mobile, so you can capture updates on site and share reports from anywhere.